In this video I will show you step by step how you can add multiple images to the same story on your Instagram. So first of all, let's head over to our Instagram, and then we now need to go to our story icon in the top left hand corner. That will then bring us to this page where we can select an image to add to our story. So for example, if I just click on this one, that will then bring me to here where I can click on the stickers icon, and then if I scroll down now, I will see an option for this little icon right here. Once you click on that, click on this, select another image. You can go ahead, resize it, move it around. Again, what we can do then is go back to the stickers, click on it again, and then we can select a further image. So you can pretty much do this for whatever you like. As you can see now, I've got 3 images on the same Instagram story. You can resize these, change the shape of these by clicking on it like this, and you can do pretty much whatever you want. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can add multiple images to the same Instagram story. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.